Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, November 8th. Greetings from Las Vegas, and I want to thank everyone who came up to me today at the Traders Expo to say hi or just to have a chat or came to some of my presentations. Thank you. I really appreciate you taking the time to do that, and I'm looking forward to being with a number of you on Friday. Well, let's see what's happening with the Russell. You know, the China-U.S. tariffs, they're talking about lowering the tariffs, some of the ones that are already on the table, which is a positive thing. The market really liked that. You can see that the Russell at one time was trading at that high, but it backed off. You know, it's looking for additional information. So for this indices, I'm looking for a sideways move. It's waiting for something else to create that rally. Normally this would be very bearish and you'd look for a move to the downside. But right now, I'm not looking for that kind of price action. Let's move on over to currencies. And what we're seeing here in the British pound, nothing to write home about, but we've gotten to a level where I call this kind of behavior consistent behavior. And what we're looking for is an inside day on Friday. I'm not super bullish or bearish. A sideways move here does make sense. And in the interest rates, they're right on target. Look how it fell out of bed as the stock market strengthened. This is Asia right now that's trading, a little bit of profit taking, and we may see a little more of that before we go into this weekend. This next few days are going to be very important for this market long term. Now, let's talk about what's happening with the metals. Silver fell out of bed because we're seeing the action lessening, some of the angst that the market had lessening, and that's why you're seeing that big red candle. What I'm looking for, though, is an unchanged type day, an inside day, maybe a little bit lower. That's Asia right now, and again, it's a sign of how the market's reacting to that China tariff news. Let's move on over, though, and take a look at what's happening with the natural gas market. It traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is $500 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day, just like Asia is showing us right now. I'm looking for more of that kind of price action. And in the bean market, it got stronger. You know, China may be buying more beans, and the market like that. Follow through, though, I do look for that, but not a dramatic move to the upside because again, it's going to need something new to create that kind of movement. New news in that regard. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.